This is a video of Buddha watching The Purple Show. This is the reason why I put this damn thing on so much. So, he actually sits down with his pan of cookies, as you see him nibbling on, and watches The Purple Show every fucking day. He will actually sit down and watch this shit. All 4 episodes of The Purple Show.
Over to you, Blaze. Thanks, Mad Rocks. In other news, serious news, Juggalos, been well documented right here at Twisted.com as well as the hotline that Monoxide Child.
This is normally the part when Buddha gets geeked out because he sees Monoxide. Normally he gets geeked out, but I think he got too much cookie in his face to even be bothered with that. You on camera, Buddha. Oh, and there goes cookie all over my jersey. Bad baby.